Hi, my name is James. I'm from Sendit. Sendit is a video-first online eventing toolbox. Um, Online video platforms simply aren't flexible enough. Platforms like Zoom, Webinar Jam, Remo, etc., typically try to lock hosts into their own unique platform features or interface, and in some circumstances, software like Zoom. This makes it quite difficult for organizers that have got more nuanced requirements to host online events. There isn't any one-stop shop that supplies modular components for live online events. Further to that, Africa is also heavily underserviced in this market. Very few platforms actually have video server infrastructure on the continent. With Sendit, we've built a modular live video eventing platform. So all of our components can be used together on our platform or can be used individually. So for example, if you're wanting to host a live broadcast with attendee chat, you can do so. Or if you're wanting to charge people to host a video on demand, we can also do that. We also have a unique ability to reverse bill mobile data. This means that people can host webinars and the participants do not have to pay for the mobile data costs associated with them connecting to the webinar. Who is our audience, you might ask? Well, we currently have two main target audiences. One is as a platform, so musicians, creators, comedians, fitness instructors, etc., use us to deliver a business-in-a-box type solution. And then our other customers are enterprises using us to just use our video components or potentially embed our live chat, or they're wanting a third-party polling functionality that they can just click to deploy. So those are our current clients, and they can all be reverse billed. How do we make money? Well, we charge 5% on any transaction that goes through our platform. And we also charge 30 US cents per user for viewers over 250 packs. We also charge to embed our components onto other sites. We only launched in April of this year. And as you can see, we do have some nice, really good traction in the early phase. I'd like to walk you through all of our use cases, but obviously we just don't have enough time. However, I can show you what we did last week in terms of some really nice big streams. We ran an event for Nivea, which had 10,000 concurrent viewers. The founding team is myself and Brandon. Together, we have launched 3 other companies. We've had 1 exit. And we've got 16 years experience building technology in the eventing space. So we really understand the space quite well. If you are interested, here are my details. Please reach out.
Wow, it's perfect. Your timing is really best. Thank you so much. Dear judges, your turn.
If I may,
I have a question, if I may. This is Nader here to James. James, have you thought of making it a subscription-based model as opposed to transaction? That could mean a lot to your valuation.
Yeah, absolutely. We definitely will be moving in that direction, but we focused first on building out features. And once we've got a nice feature set, we're then going to start building out nice pricing and subscription models. Obviously, we're just constrained in terms of developers at the moment.
Very good. One more very quick question. What is your killer feature or application other than reversing mobile data cost?
So that is obviously our killer app, is being able to reverse bill mobile data. I think another really killer feature, which we haven't seen provided by anyone else, is the fact that all of our components are modular. So people can just strap a video and a chat box next to each other in their own web infrastructure.
Thank you.
Cool.
how do you track transactions?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
How do you track transactions on your platform?
Well, we have quite detailed analytics for viewer count, as well as obviously payment transactions. We use Stripe. Yeah, I'm not sure if that answers the question.
Okay, so basically, so because I'm trying to understand your business model. So basically, sure, transactions happen through your payment gateway, through your platform. Is that correct?
That's correct. Down the line, we will allow our hosts to connect their own payment channels, but right now everything's flowing through our gate.
James, how big is your market size?
It's a good question. The webinar, or at least the global online video industry, is estimated to be well over, $50 billion and growing substantially. We like to think of our addressable market within Africa being around about $2 billion and growing fairly quickly.
Hi, James. Hi, James. It's Julian Masho from Verso Fund. Quick question for you. How do you protect your space, your potential business, even potentially technology you may own? How resilient is Sendit?
Yeah, so we've built from everything from scratch. So all of the software and IP is completely our own and developed in-house. Obviously, we've been delivering really good services to our clients, and our reputation is essentially how we're going to try and protect our market. Obviously nothing is stopping a competitor from spinning out something similar. We've just probably got a bit more first or like early mover advantage than they would probably have.
So just a follow-on question, if I may.
Please.
Have you identified competitors who are doing pretty much the same or competing with other modules? I'm sure there are. I mean, I would expect probably 100,000 companies doing the same thing.
Yeah, so there is we've identified a couple. One such company, which is Valley-based, is called Stream Club. They're more focused on which is a very interesting market in and of itself, just going after the single standalone host, so the creators that are trying to look for a online streaming tool to collect revenue. There's also a lot of competitors such as like Cleange and Vimeo, etc., which do have modular components. However, none of these competitors have presence in Africa, which is really where we're trying to capture the audience initially.
Thank you.